Well, this isn't really so much an experiment as an investigation using really simple apparatus, if you can call it apparatus. All you've got here is a set of various rectangles of cardboard. The title of it is called Whirlywings, and an article on this was published in the School Science Review for the ASE. All you do is you take a piece of cardboard, rectangular, and you hold it by one edge and you let it fall. Watch the motion of the cardboard. Very little effect there. Try it again. I may have to hold it out of view. And you saw it came through the field of view, tipping over and over. Now let's try another piece. Notice I'm holding it with the thin edge up like that. It'll appear into the field of view, but hardly rotate at all. We'll try it again, a slightly shorter piece this time, and this one I will hold by the long edge. And that does turn. Now a smaller piece. Bounced on the table. Another small piece. Away it went. I'll hold this one right up so that it can come into the field of view of the camera. Like that, passing by. Another big piece. This time I'll hold it by a smaller edge. No good. It has to be the long edge you hold it by. That's a nice one. Long, thin ones are really good. Another one. So what's the purpose of this? Well, the purpose of it is to do two things. One of them is to measure how long a definite size of whirlywing takes to get to the ground. Next, how far they travel before they hit the ground. Obviously, you'll need to make measurements with a given size and do a series and then take an average. Here comes one again. Here's a big one. It's going to come down now. Notice they do move rather more slowly when they're like that. The next thing I think you probably ought to do is to try and think why they move the way they do, and also why, if you hold them by the thin edge, they hardly work at all. Notice that one didn't fall straight down, but more or less, but I hold it by the long edge and it does the whirlywing motion. You can find a short account in my book, The Resourceful Physics Teacher, better still, The New Resourceful Physics Teacher. But it is a really nice experiment, very cheap, and there's lots and lots of investigations you can do with them, but it's can you do an equation? Can you work out why they do what they do?